Oh, sure. It looks smart. But all he's writing is bark, bark, bark. Yes, woof, woof, woof.
You want it? You want it? That's perfect.
Look at she's swimming.
Have you been in the water yet?
Lift her up higher. Lift her up higher.
Look at her trying to swim. We put her over the toilet.
Let's see if it works over the toilet.
Oh, you want to take a bath? You want to take a bath?
She's swimming. Get a little cup of water. See, she swims over there.
Thousands of years of evolution working perfectly.